Hello guys, welcome to this Java tutorial for beginners. In our today's video, we will talk about set interface in Java. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now, in our previous video, we talked about list interface. So basically your list can contain duplicate entries, but this is not the case with your set interface. So we can use a set when we don't want to allow duplicate entries. All right. Now let us look at the various set implementations. So first we have hash set. So our hash set stores the elements in a hash table. This means that it uses the hash code method of an object class to retrieve them more efficiently. And next we have the tree set. So a tree set stores the element in a sorted tree structure. And the main benefit of this set is that the elements are always in a sorted order. All right. Now, let us look at the implementation of the set interface. So similar to our list, we need to import our set interface and the hash set and the tree set classes from the java.util package. Now, in my main method, what I have done is I have created this ArrayList object and it contains the object of type integer. So as you can see on line 16, I've added this integer object to the ArrayList object, right? And what I've done is I've added this duplicate on line 18 as well. And similarly on our line 23, I've created this HashSet object. And again, I've added this duplicate elements to the HashSet, right? And similarly on line 31, I've created this TreeSet object. So let us see the outputs, right? And as you know that in our array list, we can have duplicates. So this will contain 4 elements, right? And on line 23, we have this hash set. So although the order will not be changed, but definitely the duplicate will be removed. And similarly on line 31, we have a tree set. And as you know, for a tree set, the elements are sorted. So all the elements will be in the sorted order and the duplicates will be removed. So let me run this program and let us verify the outputs. Now let us compile and execute the program. So here you can see for the array list, it contains duplicate element. But this is not the case with the hash set and the tree set. And one thing you must note is that for hash set, although the output might seem sorted, but this is not guaranteed each and every time. All right. And one final thing that you need to know is that all the methods of your list will work for the sets as well, since all the methods belong to the collection interface. All right. So that is it for the today's video. And don't forget to subscribe for more Java programming videos like this. And I will see you until next time.